Siyahamba. Can you see? Today we are going. Today we are going to Durban. Nasi isikolo siyasishiya. This is Una. This is Posi. Let's go. Our first stop was Engine Mtata, Sisita Paya. I had so much fun. These are my colleagues, my beautiful and handsome colleagues. Aike, uyayibona musapha. Sikhaisumbhaqanga all the way. Iyatsho nje dance. So cengo ngungoko. Sibahle sinjiya ke bethunana. Uyatshona Durban. Deep down I want to show you and make you feel all the songs besizikhalisa endleleni, but ke I can't because ngizobethwa ngutata lapha. Study, we are looking for a gift for our super. Siyakhangela ke ngoku kuyatshisa. I just don't know now. Buying for anyone. Kuzo zonke ezo zinto silahlekile but at least sibahle.
Yes, imagine like cuties.
Buying gifts. Oh, and Onel.
Okay. Oh, nice. And then balcony is Yunus Stadium. Okay. Cheers. Guys, we don't even have something to drink. SinazoPalaza. But siyakwazi uyisebenzisa even for easy. Sibajixela vula. And then balcony is you, Nasi Stadium. Okay. Chairs. Guys, we don't even have something to drink. SinazoPalaza. But siyakwazi le uyisebenzisa even for
this place
even for
yes.